How to turn off automatic in-app purchase in Google Play Store. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off automatic in-app purchase in Google Play Store. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Tired of surprise app purchases or accidental in-app buys by your children? Protect your wallet and keep control of in-app purchases on the Google Play Store by turning off automatic purchases. For that, launch Play Store on your device. Sign in to the account and then go to profile icon at top right corner of the screen. On the menu, select Settings. Then you will access to this section where you need to locate Authentication option or Purchase Verification. Simply select the arrow at next to Purchase Verification. Here you will get different option. Simply you have to toggle the button on for biometric verification and use your face or fingerprint. Once you do that, you can easily turn on biometric verification whenever there is any kind of purchase. You can also set verification frequency by tapping on it and select always, every 30 minutes or never, and then tap on OK button. Once you enable biometric verification, every time you purchase any kind of app or children try to purchase any app, they will require your biometric verification. So that is how we can easily turn off automatic in-app purchase in Google Play Store. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.